Going on their 14th annual year, the Bedford Garden Festival is located in Bedford, Eastern Cape, South Africa. The Bedford Garden Festival has been held in October for over a decade, and visitors from all over the country return every year to visit the gardens, relax, and enjoy the beautiful country lifestyle. After good summer rains, the little town of Bedford looks like part of the Hobbit's beloved Shire. Take a break from your routine and come to Bedford for 3 days of fresh air, plant nurseries, 2 market hubs, lots of shopping, live music, warm hospitality, and scrumptious food. Extras include history walks, visits to a nationally renowned butterfly collection at Huntley Glen Farm, golf, and a Sunday midday garden concert. For more information, visit their website bedford.co.za.